I can't overstate how vital our salt spray test chamber is for refining the metal components of our outdoor camping gear. Think tent poles, camp stove grates, and the drings on backpacks that hold everything from water bottles to sleeping bags. These parts don't just face rain, they're exposed to dewy mornings, coastal mist for beach campers, and even the occasional splash of lake water. Resistance is non-negatable. Prepping the tests feels like prepping for a trip itself. I gather samples from each new production, run some straight from the factory that have been broken in with a quick bend to mimic the wear tent poles take. I mount them on the chamber's lightweight racks, making sure the tent pole joints and dring crevices are fully exposed. For standard tests, I use a 5% salt solution and 35-degree Celsius cycles for 168 hours, enough to simulate a full summer of weekend camping trips. For gear made for coastal campgrounds, I bump the salinity to 6% to replicate the sting of sea spray. The chamber always has a way of revealing hidden flaws. A batch of aluminum tent poles once looked solid, but after 120 hours, my locking mechanism started sticking. Turns out the thin, anodized coating was wearing off at the joints. We switched to a thicker, hard anodized finish, and the next test had them sliding smoothly, even after 300 hours. Owen, a new stainless steel camp stove grate I tested, stayed rust-free for 400 hours. Even when I added extra moisture to mimic boiling water spills. Now, it's our top seller for coastal campers. This machine isn't just about testing metal, it's about protecting the trust of campers. When someone heads into the woods, they need their gear to work. No one wants a tent pole collapsing midstorm or a dring rusting through. This chamber ensures we deliver that reliability. Every time a sample passes, I know we're not just making gear, we're making sure campers can focus on the adventure, not worrying about their equipment.